Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Fiat 124 Spider versus the Abarth 124 Spider. These two Italian roadsters share a platform, but offer distinct driving experiences. We will explore their differences in performance, handling, and features to help you decide which one best suits your preferences. Let's dive into the details and see what sets these exciting cars apart. Under the hood, both cars use a 1.4-liter multi-air turbocharged engine. The Fiat 124 Spider delivers 160 horsepower, offering a smooth and enjoyable ride. The Abarth version, however, is tuned for 164 horsepower and includes a performance exhaust, giving it a more aggressive sound. The Abarth also upgrades to Bilstein shock absorbers and a mechanical limited-slip differential for sharper handling. Visually, the Fiat 124 Spider presents a more elegant and classic Italian roadster aesthetic. The Abarth 124 Spider, in contrast, showcases a more aggressive look with distinct front and rear fascias, Abarth badging, and 17-inch gunmetal wheels. Inside, the Abarth offers sport seats, often with leather and microfiber, a sport steering wheel, and red accent stitching, emphasizing its performance pedigree. Ultimately, your choice depends on your driving style. The Fiat 124 Spider is perfect if you prioritize a comfortable, stylish convertible for relaxed drives. If you crave a more spirited, performance-oriented experience with sharper handling and a more aggressive sound, the Abarth 124 Spider is likely your match. Both offer open-air fun, but with different flavors. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.